So we're in Tromso in Norway, and this is our room at the Scandic Ishavshotel. I probably butchered that, so I will put it up on screen. But this is room 656, which is a water-facing room. So you come in, there's a little seating area. At the foot of the bed, they have a small futon, TVs mounted in the wall, and you have the lights on the side that light up the room. There's a little hanging closet area with a fan up top, some clothes hangers, an ironing board and an iron, and then down here there's a little fridge and some room for shoes. There's that sitting area in the room again. On that side there's a little coffee maker and the safe and trash can, and then this is the bed. I'm not entirely sure why they do it like this with the covers, but we saw that in a bunch of pictures in the area, so it must be common for the hotels in this region. Then we have these two big windows that open, and that takes you to the view over the water, and there's the bridge on that side that goes to another piece of the mainland. Coming across the room, it's nothing huge, but the size will do. You can see there's our luggage, which does take up a fair amount of space. And then coming through into the bathroom, very European, pretty small. It does have heated flooring, which is a nice touch. There's the sink, you got the hairdryer, then there's the heated flooring control, and the shower again is very European. There is some assembly required, so to shower you got to fold this piece open and then fold this other piece to meet it over there. So you do need to assemble it in order to shower. But that is our room at the Scandic Hotel, and I'll also put the link down below because there are two Scandic hotels and we went to the wrong one first, which is in the city. This is the one on the water, and that's the one where you get the view.